what you're saying is that plants don't really need that much?
Yes, that's very correct. My name is Bill Bauerle. I'm a professor here in the Horticulture and Landscape Architecture Department at Colorado State University. So I'm a plant stress physiologist. So I study how plants tolerate different types of stress, primarily drought stress, and how much water they use relative to the amount of stress they can handle.
What's the focus of the current research that you're doing?
Current research that I'm doing is to optimize nutrients and water for the cannabis industry. That's a big industry in Colorado, so we're essentially trying to feed the plants, if you will, exactly what they want, as opposed to just applying copious amounts of nutrients or water that could then be lost to the environment.
What is the toughest problem that you're solving with your research currently?
I would say that the toughest problem we're solving is, one, just overcoming some of the assumptions that have been embedded over time, where, for example, we've found that plants need a lot less nutrients than growers are supplying them with, and just getting that information to them and letting them understand that they can maximize their profits at the same time as reducing any kind of environmental degradation.
I see.
I would add to that by saying that if you apply too much, you can sometimes actually cause stress to the plant, because you can actually cause a salt stress, because these nutrients are essentially salts. And therefore, you can actually cause a water stress unknowingly by applying too much. So by scaling that back, they save money, they reduce the stress to the plant, it optimizes its growth, and it helps the environment by conserving resources.
Gotcha.